Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dream of Crafts. My name's Deanna and today I'm going to do the walkthrough for my Kohen mini album. He's my great nephew. This album measures 10.5 inches high by 9 5/8 inches wide, and it has a 3.5 inch spine. I used a Prima Marketing latch closure. Now I don't know if those are still available, but if you can get them, they're a nice weight. Hobby Lobby carries a similar product, but it's lighter weight, or at least they did. I don't know if they carry theirs anymore, but if not, look on Etsy, and sometimes you can find different metal closures on there. The spines are the same, and then on the back, I just used the plaid paper with one of the tag cutouts, and the paper line that I used was the Basics New Adventure. It is a scrapberry paper collection, and it has 6 double-sided 12 by 12s and 3 one-sided 12 by 12 sheets. I used 5 packages of this. And let's go ahead and jump on inside. There are three tunnel pages, okay? On the left inside page here, we have a fold out like so, and this will hold, this is lifted up so you can get 2 feet. Now these ones just a little bit narrow, so you'd have to cut down just a tiny bit to fit a full picture in there, but not much really. And then of course you got room for pictures there. This flips up, this flips down, and you can get your full pictures on these like so. Okay. Now I did to have a magnet in here, and I should have put 2 in, maybe 1 in here and 1 in here, but there is a magnet in there, and so probably should have had 2 in there, but there is 1 in there. On our first page, page 1-1, this slides down, and you have these opening these directions. Now I didn't add the additional papers to these because I wanted to keep the bulk down. By the time she gets her pictures on here, that's going to add enough bulk. I want this mechanism to slide nicely, so I didn't want to add any additional bulk than I had to. Okay, this is a little slide out tag here. She can either add a picture in here or add it right to the tag and slide it back in, or if she would like to journal on there, she can. Each one of the tunnel pages has its own tag that is finished on both sides using the like quilt work type construction on there. I just used all my scraps for those. I don't cut up any papers, and I just fit it in with scraps. So this page here has a couple of tags. They're not finished on the back. And then this flips up and flips up again. And these are open so that she can just lay a picture in there without having to cut anything down. Of course, you get a picture there, and then a full picture there, and then 1 there. Okay. Now this part here was originally this little guy in the plane would spin as I pulled the tab. After I worked with it for, I don't know, when I did it, like, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 times, it came undone. So I had to revert to a different thing. So I just made it a pull tab, which is fine. I'd rather have it like that and not break on him and make him feel bad. And maybe in a future video, I will do a tutorial and do one that flips when I can figure it out. I did not include this in the tutorial because it was going to be the flip one, and I was just going to attach the person that I learned it from. I was going to attach their video because I didn't see any sense of doing 2 of the same, have a duplicate when hers was good, and it is a good tutorial. But so there is no tutorial for this. So any slide mechanism tutorial on YouTube will work for that. It's just a simple slide. All right. Here is a waterfall. And again, I did not do the additional decorative cardstock on those to keep the bulk down. And here's our other little tag. Okay. This is magnetized closure. This is a flip up and a flip down. And all of these will hold a full picture without being cut down, with a nice border around them. It's a nice large area. On 3-1, these flip open like so, and then this part flips up like this again. Now I just left these with the magnets, which by the time she puts her picture on here, and they will have to be cut down to fit in, but by the time she gets her picture on there, that will cover up that magnet and you'll never know it's there. Again, I didn't want to add any extra bulk to these pages, because you always got to remember when you add paper and then you're adding a photo on top of it. And you've got some little cut aparts here and there. And again, this is lifted up so she can get pictures in there. Okay. Then of course you can get pictures on here too. But like I said, they would just have to be shortened just a little bit. The final tag there. Oops, I forgot. This page here too, with the flip up and flip down, there are 2 pockets here with additional tags, and they're only done on one side, but there is 2 tags for that, for more photos. Nice size tags there. Okay. On the back page of 3-2 here, it's just pockets with 3 different size tags. The back one being the longest. We got a brads on here. We got a ladybug and a bee, journal tag, Lego brads, journal tag, and we got some little animals here that are brads, and then another journal tag. And these tags are not done on the backs either. They are just plain cardstock. Just the plain cardstock. Okay, this is our Z fold. I have added some dinosaurs to brads to these to bring in just a nice little element. And then this here is clear acetate. It's a little bit heavier acetate to withstand the standing up there. And then this here, she can get full photos in there, of course here. And now let me bring in closer here so you can see this Z-fold element here a little closer. Let that get in there. And then you can see that. And those are all just fussy cut out and then glued on the different things. And this does not have to be an album for a little boy. Any of my albums can be recreated in whatever theme you would like. So any of my albums that I have done can just be done in anything. This was just a little like jean pocket here that was on one of the papers. I just cut it out, glued it down, and then add the little tag. And again, there is room for a full photo there. That is it. Nice, cute album for a little boy. Thank you to all my subscribers. If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so at that time. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down in the right-hand corner. When the bell pops up, if you hit the bell, you'll be notified each time I put up a new video. Now, I will put up tutorial number 1 along with right after this goes up. The other ones, I'm not quite sure when I'm going to upload them. They are ready to go, but if you do subscribe, you'll know as soon as they go up. If you do hit the bell, you'll be notified. Otherwise, I'm guessing probably later in the week I will issue out number 2 for this, and then we'll just go from there. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.